Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential resources you need to build a winning Forex trading strategy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these resources will help you enhance your trading skills and achieve your goals. We'll cover everything from YouTube channels and books to online communities and educational websites. So let's dive in.
The first resource on our list is YouTube, your free university for all things Forex. One channel I highly recommend is Forex Strategy Factory, run by Walter. Walter's videos cover trend following, risk management, and technical analysis with practical strategies you can implement. He walks you through each step, showing you how to identify trading opportunities, manage risk, and maximize profits. YouTube is also great for discovering new trading tools and resources. Find videos on using trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and TradingView. You can also find reviews of different Forex brokers to choose one that suits your needs. YouTube is constantly updated with new content, so you'll always have access to the latest information and strategies. Subscribe to Forex Strategy Factory and explore other Forex-related channels on YouTube. It's a fantastic resource for any serious Forex trader.
While YouTube is great, there's still something special about a good book. One essential read is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, focusing on the trader's mindset. It teaches you how to develop a disciplined, objective mindset focused on probabilities. Another must-read is Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nyson, the definitive guide to candlestick charting. Candlestick charts provide visual clues about market balance. Don't stop at these two books. There are countless other fantastic resources available. Be a lifelong learner, constantly seeking to expand your knowledge and improve your skills. Visit your local library or browse online for books that pique your interest.
Trading can be lonely, so it's important to surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals. One of the best online forums for Forex traders is Baby Pips, geared towards beginners with a wealth of free educational resources. The forums are active, with traders from all over the world sharing their experiences and supporting each other. Another great online community is the Forex Factory Forum, more geared towards experienced traders. It offers in-depth discussions on market analysis, trading strategies, and economic news. Explore different forums, Facebook groups, and Discord servers to find ones that resonate with you. The goal is to find a community where you feel comfortable asking questions and sharing experiences. A strong support system can make all the difference in your trading journey. Stay motivated, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve your financial goals.
Quora and Reddit can be valuable resources for finding diverse perspectives and unfiltered insights. On Quora, you can ask questions about Forex trading and get answers from experienced traders and industry professionals. Be discerning, as not all answers are created equal, but you can glean valuable insights by considering different perspectives. Reddit's r/Forex subreddit is a treasure trove of information, with members sharing trading ideas, market analysis, and personal experiences. The anonymity on Reddit often leads to more honest and unfiltered discussions. Traders are more likely to share their failures and lessons learned. Both platforms offer a wealth of knowledge from the trading community. Use them to tap into the collective wisdom and improve your trading skills.
Educational websites provide structured learning resources that cover the ins and outs of Forex trading. Investopedia offers a vast library of articles, tutorials, and definitions on everything from stocks to Forex. Their Forex section covers technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Daily FX is another great resource offering Forex news, analysis, and education. Their experienced analysts provide valuable insights into market trends and trading opportunities. Their daily market updates are particularly helpful. Explore different websites, read reviews, and find ones that align with your learning style and trading goals. A solid foundation of knowledge is essential for becoming a successful Forex trader.
So there you have it, guys. Those are the top resources that help me go from a clueless newbie to a consistently profitable Forex trader. Remember, the journey to becoming a successful trader is a marathon, not a sprint. There's always something new to learn, and the markets are constantly evolving, but by taking advantage of these resources, you'll be well on your way to developing a winning Forex trading strategy. Subscribe to those YouTube channels, dive into those insightful books, engage with fellow traders in online communities, and never stop seeking knowledge from educational websites. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more Forex trading tips, strategies, and resources. Until next time, happy trading.